This video will teach you about the present continuous. Pausing is okay. Lesson: positive forms of the present continuous. We use the present continuous for things we are doing now or long actions that we are in the middle of. When using present continuous, we use am, is, are, as well as a verb plus ing. We can use time words like now or these days, as well as specific time periods like today, this year, or this week. I am recording a video right now. My cat is being weird. My wife is studying maths this year. My parents are working hard this year. You are enjoying this video. Contractions, short forms, are common in informal written language and speech. I'm recording a video right now. My cat's being weird. My wife's studying maths this year. My parents are working hard this year. You're enjoying this video. Lesson: negative forms of present continuous: am, is, are, plus not, plus verb, plus ing. We can use not with the present continuous. This gives the sentence a negative meaning or the opposite meaning. Not goes after the be verb and before the main verb. I am not recording a video right now. My cat is not being weird. My wife is not studying maths this year. My parents are not working hard these days. You are not enjoying this video. We can also use contractions, short forms, with not. Sometimes we use the shortened form of not with the be verb. And sometimes we shorten the be verb and put that onto the subject. I'm not recording a video right now. My cat isn't being weird. My wife's not studying maths this year. My parents aren't working hard these days. You're not enjoying this video. Exercise 1. Put these words in the correct order to make sentences. You're not watching this video. He is studying English now. My wife is not studying maths this year. It's walking to the museum. I am looking after my friend's cat this week. They are learning how to drive a car nowadays. Exercise 2. Choose the correct form of the be verb to finish the question. My cat isn't being weird. We are studying English these days. She is not living in France this year. I'm looking after my friend's cat this week. You're watching this video. We are studying English these days. Remember to like, share and comment. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe as well. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.